Hello, my name is Kevin, and this is my Python 2 final project. So I chose to do the Heyman project we did in class, as it was inspired by the fact that the Heyman project we did in class did not actually have a Heyman. Sacrilegious. So in order to fix it, I had to learn how to use functions and learn how to utilize turtles. Now, functions is an object that allows us to reuse and organize code, and turtles is just like a module that allows us to draw things using code. Code examples. This code is to determine whether you just like the letter you just is actually in the word or not. If it's not, it will run a function and another function which will like draw the head, body, and the limbs. And this is the turtle, which is also stored inside a function. This tells the turtle module to like how fast it should draw, where it should draw, like when to turn, like, or when to like not draw.
Could you explain real quick what the guess letter function does or what it handles?
It checks like if the letter is in the word.
Where does the letter come from?
It's like the letter you type in, the user inputs.
User
Yeah.
input. Nice.
Yeah. And I think this is a demo, right?
Yeah, this is a demo.
Yeah, demo.
So just click on it real quick. Or actually the other way. Yeah.
Other way, yeah.
So
So now we have already started running this. If I type in like a letter, if it's in there, it'll 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 show here, and and the attempts remaining will not increment down. However, if I put a letter that is probably not in there, yeah, I'll draw the man. So I put I'll just keep on doing that. The body, right? And then it starts to roll the arms.
do you know what the word is?
Purple.
How about you show what happens when you guess it?
Yeah. Yeah, the
Nice.
function closes.
Nice.
Yeah.
How about you talk a little bit about just skim it, just like kind of give an overview.
So this is the list of the words that we have to choose from. This is where we import turtle, so we can actually run turtle. This is display window, which draws the gallo. These are individual like functions that these are individual functions that draw the body parts. This handles the display of the text down here. This, like I said before, it checks whether the letter the user inputs is in the word or not. And yeah, display window. Yeah, that's like these.
Nice. All right. Let's go back to the presentation.
And my favorite part for working on this project was debugging the code. It felt really rewarding once I figured out how to get rid of the bugs and polish up the game.
Do you remember a bug that stands out to you? Like,
I don't remember the specific details. It was just like the limbs keep on like flying all over the place. It's just like and go exactly where it's like it draw the circle and then it goes like top right corner, top left corner, and then it's like it's just a
it's just
mess.
weird looking. Yeah.
Yeah, I was not a man.
Nice, nice.
And
Um,
what could I do to improve my project? If I were to be able to continue working on this project, I would make the words appear on the screen as you type it. So like if you type a wrong word, it will also show on the turtle that, oh, that's a wrong word. Don't do that. Or it's like if it's a right word, it will do that. It will fill it in on the turtle too. Give the man a facial expression, which I could also like give the user more chances. Like the eighth chance, it's like, oh, it's such an eye.
okay.
More word choices because that's always updatable. Yeah.
Nice.
And yeah, that's it.
Okay. Thanks for watching. Okay. All right. So, let me just close it real quick. Stop sharing. Zoom is right here, and then close it.